How can we make our school more enjoyable for students?
We made these questions because we believe that students learn better when they are happy and excited to be in school. When students feel positive emotions like joy, interest, and excitement, their brains become more open to learning.
We use convenience sampling because it allows us to easily access and gather data from readily available respondents.
Guys, we're back. So na namin counting room. So tanda, mag-interview na tag-student.
Let's go guys, go.
Sir, are you using this ba? Wait lang guys.
Kaya lang kita na sa resistance kan kaya ang kasi ng basta gusto niya na hindi ko ano sa last time
Ay ko, nakapagabi, night na wala
Sir, among pautana rin sir is na ba kay ganang usbon diri sa CEC or punan para ang klase more enjoyable or entertaining? Ganahan ba ka na daghang events or gamay rang assignment or dako ang break times unsa may mga ganahan ibutang sir?
Ganahan ko parang schedule ang kuan ba straight ra.
Kanang walay broken time.
O walay vacant ba. Ay kuan na say ka nang laay ba. Dire standby dire pila ka hours makaduka.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you sir. Among question sir is na ba kay ganahan ni adre sa CEC or punan para ang klase more entertaining and enjoyable siya?
For me it depends because some of us students kay okay ra nga ing aneta and then may uban pod haganan punan kay para nila di kay ingon nga entertaining so para nako it depends sa gina siya kapag
So if ever nga na-good sir kay kanang like more break times, kanang
Events,
so what ba?
less assignment.
I would say no to that because need pod na nato para makakuan pod ta sa atong leksyon. So,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
My question is, na ba kay ganahan ipuno diri sa CEC or idagdag para ang klase more enjoyable or entertaining? Like, more events ba? Or gamay ra na break time? Or less assignment?
Kung ako, no, mas gusto ko punan ang course. Because kay gamay ra mag kaya course then labi na naidagaghan kay ganahan like for example mag-agree baron daghan kay ganahan na then wala na diri nga course makuha na sa magbalin sila yung
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Good afternoon ninyo, ma'am. So, dami question, ma'am. Na ba may ganahan idagdag diri sa CEC or ipuno para ang pag-eskwela kay more entertaining or enjoyable sa mga estudyante?
Actually, kanang wala na kay since I don't know pamanggod sa mga kuan kayo dire pero like based ako among nakita before orientation is okay na ang mga for me okay raman entertaining naman and like all goods na sa ako wala na ko i-suggest or something ana ikaw
sa ako is kuan kanang if ever punan siya dire sa CEC kuan actually cleanliness kana lang. Thank you.
Thank you so much kay ninyo, ma'am.
Out of the 8 students we interviewed, 3 suggested giving students longer break times, which received the most suggestions for improvement. The remaining students suggested various ideas, including a cleanup drive, more programs to offer, no broken time schedule, other answers, and no suggestions, with each of the following suggestions getting 1 vote.
In this video, we use a bar chart or bar graph because it's easy to compare how many students gave each answer. In conclusion, among these 8 students, most of them suggested to have more break time. Students may want longer break times to rest and recharge, socialize with peers, and attend personal needs, which can help improve their focus and productivity. To address this, schools could consider adjusting break times to meet students' needs, such as extending the duration or frequency of breaks.
Thank you everyone for watching our video class.
I hope you learned a lot from us.